Hey there, fellow productivity enthusiasts. Today, I want to talk to you about a game changer. In the world of workspaces, the FlexiSpot EN2 whole piece standing desk. Have you ever found yourself feeling sluggish and unfocused after sitting for hours on end at your desk? I know I have. That's where the FlexiSpot EN2 comes in. This standing desk is perfect for anyone who wants to stay active and engaged throughout the workday. Let's talk about the benefits of the FlexiSpot EN2. First off, it's electrically height adjustable, so you can easily switch between sitting and standing positions with just the push of a button. This not only helps with your posture, but it also keeps you more alert and energized. Plus, with its spacious 55 by 28-inch work surface, you'll have plenty of room for all your essentials. One of my favorite features of this desk is the clamp power strip. No more crawling under your desk to find an outlet. Just attach the power strip right to the desk and plug in all your devices with ease. And with the built-in cable management system, you can say goodbye to tangled cords cluttering up your workspace. But wait, there's more. The FlexiSpot EN2 comes in a sleek white frame with a beautiful 55-inch mahogany top, giving your workspace a modern and sophisticated look. It truly is a statement piece that will elevate any office or home workspace. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Whether you're working from home, attending Zoom meetings, or just need a change of scenery, the FlexiSpot EN2 has got you covered. You can easily adjust the height to your preference, allowing you to customize your workspace to fit your needs. Compared to traditional desks, the FlexiSpot EN2 offers versatility and convenience that can't be beaten. It's ideal for anyone looking to improve their productivity and overall well-being while working. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of your FlexiSpot EN2. Make sure to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day to keep your body engaged. And don't forget to personalize your workspace with plants, photos, and other items that bring you joy. So, if you're ready to take your workspace to the next level, consider investing in the FlexiSpot EN2 whole piece standing desk. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Don't wait any longer, upgrade your workspace today with the FlexiSpot EN2. Trust me, you won't regret it.